if it is a thing, I don't think it's right because it should be talked about more often. It's the same thing with salaries, with religion, with whatever. People say, oh, those are
don't talk
topics.
about religion.
And I'm like, why not? It's the same with, I always bring the topic up, like the salary, how much you get paid.
Keep everyone in their silos.
Come on, maybe the person next to you doing the same job is getting much more or much less and you don't even know.
Gender pay gap.
And you are much stronger together as
One cool thing about being born a guy.
Hey.
Good for you.
But I don't know if fabulous guys.
Taylor said that you are allowed to say your vote.
I am?
Yeah. So I think what it is the time, because after Friday midnight.
When they're telling them.
Nothing can be displayed. Like you cannot do any.
Okay. So back to the question.
Yeah, man. To be honest, like I was always skeptical about voting and having people coming to the show and explaining more about Maori values. Like I'm just reading more about the Pāti Maori and trying to understand what it is, because as minorities, in your own whenua, and also for me as a foreigner who also faces challenges, you know, like I try, and I said that on the show, maybe like 3 shows ago, I said, I'm comfortable where I am in my life right now. Of course, it could be much better, you know, but I like to think of the most vulnerable person that I know and how my vote could benefit that person. And that's what I tell my friends. I'm like, if you think that voting is a waste of time, maybe your vote could benefit someone else that you really love and would not even get a chance to understand what politics is. So it makes sense to me, parties that talk about the environment, you know, like it's just, for me, it's just common sense. You know, like I hear a lot of like economy,
noise,
and I'm like, what really matters? And we had a great show with an economist, a mathematic on last week, and we were talking about that. Who cares about the economy if there's no environment? You know, if there's no world.
Hailstorm we had 2 days ago here. Like, if you don't believe in climate change, you're an absolute fuckwit. Like, it was 26 degrees 10 minutes beforehand, that freak hailstorm.
So I'm super keen to listen to opinions, because the ones that I disagree with probably are the ones who I should be engaging more in conversations, because maybe that's where the changes come.